center here in Bogotá, Colombia. This is Santiago Duran.
Andrew Chen.
Juan from you. And Camila Gordon. We have just received breaking news about new habitable planets discovered by the Kepler satellite. In case you don't know what the Kepler satellite is, we have a complete video talking about it.
Kepler is a satellite that is helping scientists discover new planets and stars. The challenge is to find terrestrial planets, those who are half to twice the size of the Earth, especially the ones who are in their star's habitable zone, which is where the planet isn't too hot or too cold, and thus can have surface water probably containing life. This mission is specifically designed to look at a portion of the Milky Way in order to discover dozens of habitable planets. This mission was supposed to be only for 3.5 years, and launching in March 2009, it had to land in August 2012. But recently, it has been extended at least until 2015.
There is a lot of controversy when speaking about a planet that is ideal for sustaining life, mainly because of the amount of characteristics a planet needs to have to be considered habitable. This is one of the main reasons that have made the search for another home for the human race amazingly harder. The main requirements for a planet to be considered habitable are 1. Orbited star that remains stable in output for billions of years. In Earth's case, is the Sun. 2. Be at a determined distance from the star, so that the water in the planet is liquid and not frozen. Basically, so that it receives the right amount of heat from the star, enough so that it will not freeze or get too hot. 3. It needs to have a circular orbit, so that it can retain constant climate conditions. 4. It will contain water, a key part in sustaining life. It is necessary for the chemical reactions leading to the processes of life. And 5th, have a right-sized atmosphere, one that is not too big, otherwise it will retain gases and become a gas giant, or one that is not too small, or it will only retain heavier gases, such as argon. An example is the case of Mars. Finally, these characteristics are known as a trend called the habitable zone. Earth is in the middle of this zone, and scientists believe that only the planet with these characteristics are located on this specific area.
The Kepler satellite has a mass of 1,039 kilograms. It also has two main parts, the mirror and the receptor. The mirror is a 1.4 meter in diameter and is used to enhance long-distance photons by refracting a large area of light into the receptor, which is about 0.95 meters wide. By receiving the light, the receptor condenses the information of the photons. Scientists can convert this information to valuable characteristics of the planets that they're observing.
Thank you, Andrew. And now, with some of the news about the Kepler satellite, we have information that it has discovered around 3,277 exoplanets, which only 134 planets that are in the different stellar systems that are confirmed to have some characteristics for them to be habitable planets, like the Kepler 22b or the Kepler 69, that are the best candidates to have life in them.
But this mission isn't all good. The cost of this mission alone was of $550 million. To put that in perspective, that is about 1,041,975 million Colombian pesos. That is a lot of money that could either be really helpful and well invested, or a waste of money if the mission doesn't accomplish something at a social level. Kepler mission can be implicitly taken by each person either to be for science and to answer the question, are we alone in this world? Or more at a social level, are they looking for probable planets where we could find resources? Or where could we live?
Hello again, everybody. Well, that's all we have for today.
I hope you learned something, and that we are really grateful for what it's in outer space. And you might be wondering where is Juan Fermin and Andrew. And actually, Andrew, go fix the satellite.